Hey folks, welcome back to the channel where we turn the legal jargon into plain English. Today, we're unpacking something you've probably heard batted around when folks talk about securing their assets and planning for the future. I'm talking about trusts, but we're not covering just any kind of trust. We're pitting two heavyweight contenders against each other, revocable versus irrevocable trusts. Which one caters to your protection, control, and optimizes tax benefits in your estate planning? Buckle up as we delve deep into both to declare the ideal match for your assets. Consider a trust like a fortified castle where you safeguard your treasures. You appoint a wise steward, your trustee, to oversee these riches and ensure they're distributed as per your decree when you're no longer there. Those destined to inherit this wealth? They are your beneficiaries. Trusts are far more than just chests for storing valuables. They're vital for keeping estate battles at bay, maintaining discretion over your affairs, and crafting a financial legacy that lasts generations. Time to get down to brass tacks. Entering the ring first, wearing the red gloves, is the dynamic, shape-shifting Revocable Trust. The beauty of this contender is its versatility. Life's got new twists and turns. Your revocable trust can bob and weave with the best of them, modify terms, swap assets, or dissolve completely if you see fit. As long as you're breathing, you're at the helm steering the ship. Keep in mind, though, assets in revocable trusts don't stray far from your estate. Yes, they bypass the gauntlet of probate, but creditors can still lay a claim, and they're fair game for estate taxes. Now, from the blue corner, emerges the robust, immovable, irrevocable trust. Picture a fortress with walls 10 feet thick. Once you seal the gates, good luck making any changes without a royal decree. That is, all beneficiaries agreeing or a court order. Here's the game changer, though. These assets are whisked away from your personal estate like a stealthy cat burglar, placing them out of reach from creditors' grasping hands and the taxman's ledger. By transferring ownership rights, these assets aren't tallied up when it's time to calculate estate taxes. This can equate to significant savings. Imagine reducing estate settlement costs and shielding a larger slice from the governmental pie. Let's get up close and personal with these trust types and see where they truly stand out. Starting with the revocable trust. It's a jack of all trades in terms of control. It's your asset command center until the end. However, it's the irrevocable trust that brings the brawn when it comes to protection. Robust as granite, it locks your assets away from potential threats like taxes and legal skirmishes. Choosing between them is like deciding on a custom-made suit. It has to fit your life's financial narrative like a glove. Now, setting the stage for our detailed duel, let's consider key metrics like taxes and control. Revocable trusts keep you in the director's chair with the assets counted as part of your taxable estate. This means while you might not see immediate tax relief, you do get the freedom to script and rewrite your assets' future. In contrast, the irrevocable trust is akin to retiring your director's hat for a producer's role. You may not be directing the daily scenes, but you've set up a powerful legacy that prevents your estate from getting a tax haircut, potentially saving significant amounts in estate taxes, a point not to be glossed over when estates are sizable. As we dissect the features further, consider real-world scenarios, such as the Credit Shelter Trust, an irrevocable trust type that allows married couples to maximize estate tax exemptions, or the Special Needs Trust, which provisions for loved ones with disabilities by maintaining their eligibility for government assistance. These applications underscore the tactical advantages of irrevocable trusts, especially when considering long-term healthcare planning and the nuanced strategies involving tax implications. So what's our winning pick? That's a choice more personal than your favorite coffee blend. It's catered to your needs, your control appetite, and the legacy you envision. Revocable trusts are the go-tos for control enthusiasts. Those who aren't ready to part with the reins or who anticipate more chapters in their financial story. On the flip side, irrevocable trusts are for the forward thinkers, focused on building a fortress encompassing their legacy, willing to park their gold in a vault, closing the door to maximize asset protection and granting long-lasting benefits to their heirs. In conclusion, this isn't about going 12 rounds to find a universal champ. It's about aligning your goals, your financial narrative, with the trust that matches your estate's unique blueprint. Engage with a shrewd estate planner to navigate the terrain of trusts, as it's not a path to tread alone. All right, team, that's a wrap on our revocable and irrevocable trusts face-off. Armed with this intel, you're now ready to strategize your estate's future. If you found this knockout session valuable, land a punch on that like button, and don't forget to ring the bell for more action-packed finance wisdom. Until next time, remember, craft wisely, plan with precision, and may your legacy prosper. Keep those assets covered, and see you in the next showdown.